To show how to start the project, I deleted the previous launched Minikube and manually started a new Minikube cluster here. My team leader and another member use Docker Desktop Kubernetes. It might be easier to launch on the Docker Desktop, but the principle should be pretty similar. Here, I'm more familiar with Minikube, so I choose to use Minikube. Then we enable the ingress controller in Minikube. Next, we use the apply command to create resources on Minikube according to the configuration files. Now we have successfully started all services, and we see that the two jobs for initializing the airline databases are also completed. We can see the generated corresponding databases in the MongoDB visualization tool. The flight agent database is a collection of flight information for different airlines available for use by the flight route servers. Next, we will use the Minikube tunnel command to create a network tunnel for the Minikube cluster, allowing us to access services in the cluster from the local machine. Then open localhost and we can see the corresponding front-end web page. Now let's start by registering an account. We will enter the corresponding username, email, and password, and then click register. Then we will receive a verification email at the corresponding email address. Click the verification link to successfully verify the account. Now let's try logging into the account. After that, we can see the account we created in the corresponding user database. Now let's try searching for flights. We can see there are some guidelines for filling out the search box. Here we use the country's Alpha3 code to conduct the search. Let's start by searching for the flights from Ireland to India, departing tomorrow. We can see the names of departure and destination locations for the flight routes, as well as layover location. On the right, the price of the route is displayed along with the airline operating the route and its rating. Additionally, we can sort the flights by price, either from low to high or high to low. Let's try sorting from low to high here. And we can see the results. I did some testing just now, so there have been some changes in the flight prices and ratings, but overall we are here to demonstrate the purchasing process. We will buy the first flight routing. Remember that its current price is 875 euros. Then we click the select button, entering a simulated payment interface. After clicking place order, an order will be created and the user will be directed to a review page where they can rate the overall flight experience. Here I will give a rating of 5 so we can later see an increase in the rating. If we search for the same flight route again, we can see that the price has increased from 875 euros to 884 euros, corresponding the increase in the airline's rating. In addition, we can also see that corresponding orders have been created in both the airline and the agent databases. Each airline receives only the part of the order relevant to them, while the agent gets the entire order for the flight route. Additionally, there is another mechanism that changes the price. When a user searches for the same flight route 5 times, the price of that particular route will increase by 5%. Here we see that the price of the same flight we previously found has increased from 884 euros to 928 euros, which is exactly 1.05 times the original price. We can check the database and find that the user has already searched 9 times, so if we search again, we will be able to see the next price changes. Here we see that the price has risen to 972 euros, which is another 5% increase compared to the original price. That concludes the general demonstration of our project. For more detailed information, please refer to the report documents and the GitHub repository. Thanks for your watching.